A for ant, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice, J for juice, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for whale, X for Zalin, Y for yak, Z for zebra.
अब तक के लिए इतना, फिर मिलते, तब तक के लिए देखते रहिए हमारा चैनल बैग पैक।